in 4, we're supposed to use long division to divide the two polynomials. What we've done is we made a transition. In the earlier ones, we were dividing by monomials. Now we're dividing by a binomial. So when we're dividing by a binomial, we can't just distribute this to each one. It's not like I can distribute to each one of these and have anything worthwhile turn out of it. So what we do is we have two options. We can either use our synthetic division or long division. In this problem, the directions clearly tell us to use our long division method. So what we do is we key in on this x. What do I multiply x by to get an x cubed? Well, if we answer that question, we have to multiply it by x squared. So now I take the x squared times the x and times the 1. So x squared times x is x to the third, and x squared times 1 is a positive x squared. Now, instead of subtracting, I've been trying to get you to do this. Draw the line, change your signs, and add. So instead of subtracting, we're adding the opposites. Those reduce, and we get a negative 5x squared. Just as we do in any other division, we bring down our next number. In this case, it's a term of x. And we start asking the question, key in on this x. What do we multiply x by to get a negative 5x squared? You'd have to multiply that by a negative 5x. A negative 5x times x is a negative 5x squared. Then you got to take the negative 5x times the 1, which will be a negative 5x. Draw the line, change your signs, and add. We're adding the opposites. That is 6x. Then you drop down your next number, which is a minus 2. And we do the same thought process. What do I multiply x by to get 6? We multiply it by a positive 6. So we take 6 times x, which is 6x. Then we have to take 6 times the 1, which is 6. Draw the line, change the signs, and then add. So that gives us a negative 8. There are no more numbers or terms to bring down, so this is our remainder. So you have a couple of options here. You can put plus a negative 8 all over your divisor, which is x plus 1. If you don't like the double sign plus a negative, your other choice would be to, give me an eraser here, is just put minus there instead. So it's either minus 8 over x plus 1 or plus a negative. That is not a big issue for me at all.